everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a revamp DIY for you. I have this vase here. Now as you see, they're brown. I have two of them and I want to revamp them because my decor has changed. So I want to switch it up, glam it up, revamp it and make it look nice. So that's what I'm going to do today, revamp DIY. Alright my Glamsters, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright my Glamster, here are the two vases once again, and here are the items that we'll be using to give them our DIY revamp. Lovely gems, spray paint, crushed glass, and the vase. See how they look now? Just plain and brown and old. I've had them for a while like I told you. So we are gonna get going on today's revamp DIYs. Here are our two vases. I took them to the garage and I spray painted them, and I had to give them each 2 coats of the spray paint. Don't they look lovely? I think they look so much better, and we're not finished yet. Alright, we are going to use some crushed glass. Here I got from Michael's. And we're going to use some Mod Podge to apply the crushed glass. So I'm going to apply the crushed glass to this surface here. So I'm just brushing on the Mod Podge lightly, not too thick. I don't want it too runny, so just apply it lightly because the glass will slip a lot. If you have a lot of Mod Podge, it slips more. And now that we're finished that side, we turn it over lightly and you will have foliage. Not everything sticks all at once, but that's okay. You can apply more. As it dries a bit, you just let it dry and then apply another coat. Alright, now we're going to do the bottom part of our vase. Same thing again. Apply the Mod Podge and the crushed glass going all the way around. And when we finish all 4 sides, we are going to set it aside and let it dry for a few hours. And now our crushed glass is all dry after a few hours, so we're going to add a second coat of the Mod Podge to help seal in our crushed glass so we won't have any foliage. And this is the Mod Podge that I'm using to seal the top, the clear Mod Podge, the gloss, so it dries with a nice clear finish and won't make the crushed glass like smeary or dull. Make sure you use this Mod Podge to finish off your work. So we're just going to apply all over to make sure it seals in. And I am going to add some glitter, just a little bit. I'm holding it up high. Hope you guys can see it falling. I don't want a lot of coverage of glitter, so I hold it up high and shake it onto the vase. And again, I'll be applying the Mod Podge all over to seal it in the top and the bottom, and then I will let it dry for a few hours. Okay, now we have our silver vase. Oh, it looks so nice. I love how they look now. So I am going to use the Bling chain that I got from BeeBeeCrafts. I'll be using this to add some glam decor to this vase, and I'll be using the E6000 to apply it.
I just need you back. Just for your attention, I work hard for it.
And now I'll be adding our glam chain, going right around the bottom of the vase also.
me a thanks over you. Yeah. Call me young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now.
As we lay the chain, we have to keep checking it because with the E6000 it takes a few hours to dry, and then to fully dry it takes 24 hours. So the chain will slip, so just pay attention to it and just fix it back in place if you need to. On this vase, the chain did not slip, but I know certain projects, and it depends on the surface, the chain will slide. And now that this is all done, I'm going to be adding some glam rhinestones going right around the vase, 2 layers on the top part of our glam chain and also going around on the bottom part of our glam chain. And then with these bling now, I'm just adding some glue to the first gem and then again to the last gem, going right around.
When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. Now I got a much different frame of mind.
Okay, now that I've added all the gems, we are going to add our bling gems from Totally Dazzled. Oh, my favorite gems. You guys all know that. So we're just going to add our gems to the vase.
Come and change our life. 'Cause now it's a different love. I'm a double better love.
And here are our 2 Revamp DIY vases. I think they turned out very nice. I love how they look now, much better with the white and the crushed glass, OMG, and then the silver with the bling. And our gems from Totally Dazzled, I think they look absolutely beautiful.
All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. But when I had you, I was like,
Look at the crushed glass. Oh, the camera is not doing it justice. It's giving me a glam look to the second level. Yes, it is. And see how the crushed glass dries nice and clear when you use the right Mod Podge. Yes, please make sure you use the right one when you are applying your top layer to seal in the crushed glass. You see how easy it is to take something that you have in your home and revamp it, and then you have a piece of lovely new decor for your living space, wherever you want to place your decor. And I'm just going to share with you here where I placed the white vase back at my door. That's where it was before, with some smaller flowers. Now I put these long sticks that I got some from IKEA and some from Walmart. The brown ones I believe were Walmart, the white ones were IKEA. And I just placed them in the vase, and now it looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks now, very nice. And this is where I placed the other one, the same place it was before with the brown sticks. So I just added back the brown sticks in there. And like I said, I got these brown sticks from Walmart. And I think it looks absolutely lovelier now. All refreshed, and now it matches my decor much better than the brown color that it was in. Alright everyone, I hope you liked today's DIY. See how easy it is to just buy some products, add to whatever you want to change up, and you get something beautiful again for your home. Yeah, I love how the 2 vases turned out. I really do, and I think now they look super nice. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's Revamp DIY. Alright my Glamsters, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.
Loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. If loving you is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Hey. 'Cause no one can tell me